Hello, guys. This is me, Danny Oliver Ragani. So, we're gonna play is Nickelodeon Spongebob Squarepants BC Bullen. Okay, are you ready to play Spongebob Squarepants BC Bullen on this game? Sure. Spongebob and Patrick and Squidward are cavemen, right? Yeah. So before I play the game, I should drink this water. Okay? Here, take this. Okay, here we go. Just like they said, playing a game. And okay, ready, guys? Ready. Okay, I'm gonna play one round, and that's final. Oh, dang nabbit! It's okay, guys. It's okay. That's fun, you know. Hey, I did it, did I? What was I thinking? Oh yeah, playing again. Okay, here we go. They cannot believe that playing a game is so fun. Excuse me, right? I got a strike! Yes! I can't believe it. Yes! Yes! Yep, die! Thanks for the ball, snail. Oh, dang. It's okay, SpongeBob. You'll get it next time, okay? Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's do it again. Oh, dang, nabbit again. Okay, here we go. Again. Wow, that looks cool. Here we go. Let's do it again. Yes! Got it. Yep, that looks cool. Well, wow. Unbelievable. That looks cool, SpongeBob. That looks cool, Patrick. But where the heck is Squidward at? Oh yeah, he's at another house. On a cave. Dang it. It's okay. Wow. That looks cool, you guys. Oh, dang. Why'd I keep doing it? Not again. Well, that's fine, you guys. That's fine to me. Here we go. Yes! Yes! Yep. Die. Dang. It's okay, guys. Not again. Well, that's fun, right? Right. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's play. Not again. But that's fine. Let's try again. Dang, I lost again. Well, that's fun, guys. I got 8 189.6%. I got a score. Well, you should like this. Okay. You have a good day, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Okay, guys? Bon voyage or adios.